So you have some blank cells in your table and you want to automatically highlight them to make your report better. I'm gonna show you two ways, so let's go. Let's use conditional formatting to color our blank cells, and afterwards I have a small trick at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So what we're gonna do here is just select our data. Under home you have conditional formatting, new rule, format only cells that contain, you select this and you have blanks. Let's select a format, so you have fill, let's select this green, press OK, and then press OK, and there you go, you get it. Now if I just remove the number here, you see you get the format, put it back, you get the original format. Now let me show you the trick. I'm just gonna remove conditional formatting, so I'll go here, clear rules from entire sheet, we have nothing. Now what you could do is select your data set, under home you have find and select, go to special, and here you have blanks. You press OK, those are all the blank cells. Now you can color them manually, for example like this. You can even type something like a dash, and don't do enter, do Ctrl Enter, and you have dashes everywhere.